तो आज हम सॉल्व करेंगे MCQ नोबेल ड्रग डिलीवरी सिस्टम का, जो कि यूनिट 1 है। ओके, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर क्या है? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर इज रेट डिटरमिनिंग रिलीज डिलीवरी सिस्टम A. Drug release from doses form. Drug release from doses form. The answer is B. Next is second question number. Second question number is by controlled release drug delivery system bioavailability is. The answer is A. Improved. The answer is A. Improved. Next is three question number. Flowing is continuous release system. The answer is C. Dissolution controlled release system. The answer is C. Next is fourth question number. The example of natural polymer is albumin. The answer is D. Albumin. Example क्या है? Natural polymer is albumin. Next is five question number. More than 95% drug are absorbed by this mechanism. तो कौन से mechanism? Passive diffusion. The answer is C. Next is sixth question number. The biological factor influencing the design and act of controlled release product is. The answer is B. Absorption. The answer is B. Next is seventh question number. Drug with low therapeutic index are unsuitable for incorporation in control release formulation. The answer is B. Okay. Next हम बात करेंगे 8 question number. Okay. Products designed to release their medication in a controlled manner at a predetermined rate, duration and location to achieve and maintain therapeutic blood level of drug. The answer is B. Extend release. The answer is B. Extend release. Next हम बात करते हैं 9 question number की. 9 question number is zero order release. Kinetic is attained in controlled release. The answer is B. Controlled release. Okay. Next is 10 question number. 10th question number is the abbreviation of used for extend release is D. All of the above. A is ER, B is XL and C is XL. The answer is D. Next is 11 question number. Flowing is delayed release system. B. Colon targeted system. Flowing is delayed release system. Colon targeted system. The answer is B. Next हम बात करते हैं 12 question number. Diffusion controlled modified release. MR is modified release system consists of. The answer is D. Both A and B. A is hydrophobic matrix system and B is hydrophobic reservoir system. The answer is D. Next बात करते हैं 13 question. 13 is the duration of action of parental controlled release system can be extended up to what time? The answer is D. Day, week, month, even a year. The answer is 4 यानी कि D. Okay. Next हम बात करते हैं 14 question number. Drug having molecular weight less than 600 Dalton is good candidate for the controlled release dosage form. The answer is B. Next हम बात करते हैं 15 question number. What does the polymer coating of diffusion controlled release tablet do for its release? The answer is B. Has low solubility, low permeability and pH independent swelling, which allows diffusion of the drug. Water diffuses in and drug diffuses out. In and out. The answer is B. Next बात करते हैं 16 question number. 16 is the absorption of the ophthalmic drug does not depend on which of the following. The answer is D. Size of the eyeball. The answer is D. Next is 17 question number. The drug that cannot be administered drugs against peptic ulcer. The answer is D. Okay, the answer is D. Drug against peptic ulcer. Next हम बात करते हैं 18 question number. Mechanism of controlled drug delivery includes. The answer is D. All of the above. A is osmosis control, B is bioresponse control release, and C is dissolution control. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 19 question number. Release of water soluble drug can be retarded by presenting it as well suspension. The answer is A. Next is 20 question number. 20 is polymer are used in a various drug delivery system to. All of the above. A is modify pharmacokinetic profile, B is modify pharmacodynamic profile, C is for drug targeting. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 21 question. It is fraction of drug in vial phase to that an aqueous phase partition coefficient. The answer is D, partition coefficient. Okay. Next is 22 question number. One of the flowing polymer types is not classified on the basis of its application and properties. The answer is D, synthetic. The answer is D. Next is 23 question number. 23 question number is ideally the drug should have half-life to be formulated in controlled release doses. The answer is A, 3 to 4 hours. The answer is A, 3 to 4 hours. Next is 24 question number. Floating drug delivery dosage form are prepared by using flowing polymers. The answer is B, HPMC. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 25 question number. 25 is select the type of drug that can be incorporated in liposome. The answer is C. यानी कि both A is lipophilic and B is A is lipophilic and B is hydrophilic. The answer is C. यानी कि both. Next is 26 question number. Release kinetic from dissolution control system is governed by Noyes-Whitney equation. The answer is B, Noyes-Whitney equation. Next is 27 question number. Major drawback of parenteral controlled release system. B, the drug cannot be easily removed once administration. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 28 question number. Example of inert plastic material used for plastic matrix is all of the above. A is polythene, B is polyvinyl acetate, and C is polymethacrylate. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 29 question number. Example of the hydrophilic irradiable polymer is. The answer is D, all of the above. A is methyl cellulose, B is hydroxyethyl cellulose, and C is sodium aluminate. The answer is D. नेक्स्ट हम बात करते हैं 30 क्वेश्चन नंबर की। 30 क्वेश्चन नंबर में क्या बोलता है? ग्लिसरॉल ट्राइनाइट्रेट इज गिवन थ्रू सबलिंगुअल रूट बिकॉज ऑफ। द आंसर इज बी, हेपेटिक फर्स्ट पास मेटाबॉलिज्म अवॉइडेंस। द आंसर इज बी। नेक्स्ट इज 31 क्वेश्चन नंबर. द ड्रग ऑफ delayed release system are those that are. Answer is D, both A and B. A is absorbed from a specific intestinal site and B is meant to exert local effect at a specific GI site. Answer is D. Next is 32 question number. Advantage of controlled release doses form. Answer is D, all of the above. A is patient compliance, B is reduction of the frequency of dizzying, and C is improved efficacy in treatment. The answer is D. Next हम बात करते हैं 33 क्वेश्चन नंबर. All are the disadvantages of controlled drug delivery except. The answer is A, poor patient compliance. The answer is A. Next is 34 question. 34 is find one of the following which should not be a characteristic of the vehicles or polymers which are used for parental formula. The answer is B. Consist of pyrazole. The answer is B. Consist of pyrazole. The answer is B. Next हम बात करते हैं 35 क्वेश्चन नंबर का. Diffusion of the dissolved drug is the characteristic of diffusion control release system. The answer is B. Diffusion of the dissolved drug is the characteristics of diffusion control release system. Okay. Next is 36 question number. Dosage form that have drug release feature based on time course and location which are designed to accomplish therapeutic objective not offered by conventional are. Answer is B. Modified release. Answer is B. Next is 37 question number. Ion activated DDS is chemical type of activated system. The answer is B. Chemical type of activated system. Next is 38 question number. Among the following are colloidal controlled drug delivery system except. The answer is D. Transdermal patches. The answer is D. Next is 39 question number. For a drug to be formulated into controlled modified release dosage form, its margin of safety should be. The answer is B. Very high. The answer is B. Next is 40 question number. 40 is immediate release drug delivery system lacks which of the following characteristics? The answer is D. All of the above. A is dose maintenance, B is control release rate, and C is site targeting. The answer is D. Next is 41 question number. Liposome are unit or multi-layered vesicle of phospholipid. The answer is D. Liposome are unit or multi-layered vesicle of phospholipids. Okay. Next is 42 question number. Controlled release drug delivery system works. D. Both A and B. A is locally, B is systematically. The answer is D. Next is 43 question number. Dissolve of drug depend upon all of the above. A is thickness of diffusion layer, B is surface area of exposed solid, and C is saturated solubility of the drug. The answer is D. Next is 44 question number. Controlled drug delivery system provides the concentration of drug to the absorption site. The answer is A. Uniform sites. Okay. The answer is A. Next is 45 question number. Product designed to release their medication in controlled manner at a predetermined rate, duration and location to achieve and maintain therapeutic blood level of drug. The answer is B. Extended release. The answer is B. Next is 46 question number. A lipid biliary structure that includes an internal aqueous volume is liposome. The answer is B. Liposome. Next is 47 question number. The polymer used in lacrysate is. The answer is A. Hydroxyethyl cellulose. The answer is A. Hydroxyethyl cellulose. Next is 48 question. Matrix system are also known as monolithic system. मैट्रिक्स सिस्टम को और नाम से क्या जानते हैं? मोनोलिथिक सिस्टम. आंसर इज बी. हम आपको एक चीज और बता दें कि इस वीडियो को शेयर जरूर कर दें और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर दें, लाइक कर दें. और एक चीज बता दें कि आपको अगर कोई भी 1 से लेके 8 तक के अगर बुक चाहिए, फर्स्ट सेम से लेके 8 सेम तक अगर आपको बुक चाहिए तो अबाउट में जाकर के आप देखिए, एक लिंक आपको मिलेगा, ऑल बुक अवेलेबल करके लिखा हुआ होगा, वहां से आप ले सकते हैं. ओके, तब तक के लिए बाय. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, नेक्स्ट इवेंट में मिलते हैं.